When disaster strikes, local Red Cross volunteers activate immediately. They deploy their resources. The volunteers are on the ground right where it's happening to meet those families who are in really desperate and dire need.
And what we've learned is that the volunteers are truly the backbone of the Red Cross. They lay down everything to go and not only lend their help, but also their hearts to help.
Retirement in a red vest. That is how Steve Wise likes it.
The days are long, the hours are many.
It's the life and work he's chosen. And after 6 years volunteering with the Red Cross, Steve's specialty has become serving at shelters, most recently at a shelter in Florida after Hurricane Ian hit.
We're there right then when they need us.
For 2 weeks, Steve was there, serving, helping, supporting.
In the initial days, it's very common to see a lot of tears, a lot of crying. Here you hear a lot of sad stories. But when you go there like day 4, day 5, and we've done our thing, we've touched their lives and whatnot, and you see their joy and hope come back to their eyes, it's a feeling that you can't put a price tag on it.
And it's with the help of caring and committed volunteers like Steve that the Red Cross responds after disasters like Ian, which left so many parts of Florida unrecognizable.
There were about 2,500 all told, people that came from all across the country. So proud to say from the Illinois region, we sent about 80 volunteers over the course of the last month.
Our volunteers are the backbone of the American Red Cross mission. 90% of our workforce are volunteers. These are individuals that give up their time, they give their hearts to go out and help others on their very worst day. These are individuals that wake up in the middle of the night and they travel across the country.
Steve is one of more than 4,000 volunteers serving Northeastern Illinois. His many roles include serving as a captain of the disaster action team and a lead responder on the individual disaster care team.
I often refer to them as our angels. So these are the people that are in from mental health to health services to spiritual care to disability integration to help them through what the nightmare that they experienced.
And now Steve is training new volunteers and inviting others to join him in serving after disasters near and far.